Reserve your right to think, for even to think wrongly is better than not to think at all. Life is an unfoldment, and the further we travel the more truth we can comprehend. To understand the things that are at our door is the best preparation for understanding those that lie beyond. In fact, men will fight for a superstition quite as quickly as for a living truth, often more so, since a superstition is so intangible you cannot get at it to refute it, but truth is a point of view, and so is changeable. All formal dogmatic religions are fallacious and must never be accepted by self-respecting persons as final. Fables should be taught as fables, myths as myths, and miracles as poetic fantasies. To teach superstitions as truths is a most terrible thing. The child mind accepts and believes them, and only through great pain and perhaps tragedy can he be in after years relieved of them. No man ever steps in the same river twice, for it's not the same river and he's not the same man. Good character is not formed in a week or a month. It is created little by little, day by day. Protracted and patient effort is needed to develop good character. If you do not expect the unexpected, you will not find it, for it is not to be reached by search or trail. The sun is new each day. Big results require big ambitions. Nothing endures but change. The way up and the way down are one and the same. God is day and night, winter and summer, war and peace, surfeit and hunger. Our envy always lasts longer than the happiness of those we envy. The hidden harmony is better than the obvious. Eyes and ears are poor witnesses to people if they have uncultured souls. The eyes are more exact witnesses than the ears. Even sleepers are workers and collaborators in what goes on in the universe. Bigotry is the sacred disease. I am what libraries and librarians have made me, with little assistance from a professor of Greek and poets. The chain of wedlock is so heavy that it takes two to carry it, and sometimes three. There is nothing permanent except change. A man's character is his fate. Man is most nearly himself when he achieves the seriousness of a child at play. Much learning does not teach understanding. Character is destiny. You cannot step into the same river twice. Change alone is unchanging. Opposition brings concord. Out of discord comes the fairest harmony. To do the same thing over and over again is not only boredom, it is to be controlled by rather than to control what you do. A man's character is his guardian divinity. Hide our ignorance as we will, an evening of wine soon reveals it. Justice will overtake fabricators of lies and false witnesses. It is hard to contend against one's heart's desire, for whatever it wishes to have it buys at the cost of soul. To God everything is beautiful, good, and just. Humans, however, think some things are unjust and others just. No one that encounters prosperity does not also encounter danger. Nature is wont to hide herself. Men who wish to know about the world must learn about it in its particular details. Couples are wholes and not wholes. What agrees disagrees, the concordant is discordant. From all things one and from one all things.